So what I'd like to do is we can go around the table and just kind of have everybody introduce themselves, where they're from, where they're coming in from, and just so we can all get to know each other, companies, and maybe what kind of applications you'll be looking for and what you're looking to get out of this little seminar. Okay? So if you don't mind, we'll start off with you, please.
My name is Joe Sasso. I'm from Plaza South, Board of Directors and Building Department.
Welcome.
And we're interested in this to see if it can help us with maintenance.
Thank you so much.
I'm Terry Foley, Plaza South again, and thanks.
Ray Honoré, an engineer with Chevron Energy Solutions. I'm interested in troubleshooting.
Yeah, Karen Sargent, Energy Manager with Chevron Energy Solutions. We're interested in discovering potential energy safety.
Thank you.
Joe Zappi from South Florida Water Management District. He's a electrical specialist. I'm going to use it for troubleshooting components.
Thank you.
Juan Vitorero, I work for the district, and I'm with him, the rest of the guys, and it's more troubleshooting.
Thank you.
Mike Worley with the South Florida Water Management District. We're from the Fort Lauderdale Field Station, and I kind of represent both structures and trade support, diesel techs, and we're basically looking at ways to make our preventative maintenance more effective, more cost effective.
Felipe Perez, Millwright, South Florida Water Management. Same thing, preventive maintenance and diagnostic as well.
Gary Clark, industrial electrician, South Florida, mostly for diagnostic and maintenance.
Ricky Lastra for South Florida Water Management District also. I'm a diesel specialist and main concern is troubleshooting.
And I'll Cervantes, facility maintenance, using for troubleshooting.
Mr. Rivera, Miami-Dade County Transit. We were using for troubleshooting PMs, anything we can use for electrical, mechanical, wide variety of things.
Thank you.
Frank Fussman from the Norwegian Cruise Line. So, I'm interested to see how this works, you know. It has to be normally used before the dry dock any ships, so we do a thermal.
Great. Thank you so much.
Gilbert Figueroa, Miami-Dade Corrections. We're currently using it for energy savings and insurance.
James Zuniga, Miami-Dade Corrections, electrical supervisor, and we're going to use it for our PMs.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you sharing with us your services and how you're looking to use Fluke equipment and instrumentation. And I think that kind of helps also the Fluke gentlemen to kind of see where you're at, what you're looking for, what kind of applications you're looking to target, so they can actually talk a little bit about what you're looking for. I'm Ninette Fernandez with Newark, and I'm the outside account representative. This is Jose Segurola. He is our branch manager, head honcho, everything you can think of. He's the guy for the South. We have Emma Contreras, who's our inside account rep.
And photographer.
And photographer. We have Robert Adler, who is also the inside account rep, which a lot of you may know already. And then we have the gentleman here from Fluke. We have Mr. Dick Dwyer. And we have Mr. Enrique Acevedo. We have Mr. Ed Puseda. And
Scott Lang.
Scott Lang, I'm sorry. And they all represent Fluke. So if you have any questions, please, this is an interactive. The more questions you ask, the better it is for us, because we understand what you're looking for. If there's something that we haven't answered, by all means, call us to the side. This is for you. So the more questions you ask, the more you'll get out of it. And I do ask, please, that you put your cell phones on silent or vibrate so that it doesn't interrupt the class if we get the most out of the class. And again, the restrooms are on the side. So if you have anything else, we'll get started, and Jose would like to also talk to you guys. So thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate you guys showing up. Thank you.
Thank you. I also echo that. I know that some of you are coming from long ways. Like myself, I live out in Kendall, so I know exactly what this drive is about. So thank you for getting up early and getting out here to spend some time with us this morning. Fluke, thank you very much for participating with us. Partners like Fluke are few and far between where we really have a strong partnership, not only on the sales side, but also on the product side as well. A little bit about Newark. As I go around the room, I imagine that almost everyone here is a current customer or has purchased from Newark in the past. Are there any new customers that don't have a relationship with Newark yet? Okay, welcome.
Yes, if they were.
A little bit about the company. We are the largest electronics electrical distributor in the country. We've been around for about 100 years. We're owned by a big company out of Europe, Premier Farnell, and we're their largest subsidiary here in the United States. We have branches and service customers in every state. We have people in Puerto Rico and in Latin America as well. So we're a global company. We pride ourselves on 3 values, which is customer service through our inside sales team and our outside sales team. We're completely committed to our customers, to answering your questions, and to giving you all the resources in our reach through the help of our manufacturers to answer whatever questions you need in selecting and making product choices. Breadth of product, as you can see from our catalog, we take pride in having the most complete electronics catalog in the industry, from capacitors and resistors all the way through to test and measurement equipment, cable, pretty much everything that you could think about. We want you to think about Newark, and we want to be able to be your supplier of choice. And finally, inventory. In these crazy times, and when other regional players and some of the national players are cutting back on their inventory and hurting the end user, we're actually taking a different approach, and we're taking on more inventory and taking advantage of the situation to become even a better partner or a stronger partner. All of the products that they're going to speak to you about today, which are these Fluke storable imagers and some of the other products out there, we stock and we have in our inventory. So if you are interested, they are available. The inside sales team will be able to answer any additional questions in terms of pricing and warranties and terms, et cetera, et cetera. Once again, we're here to serve you. We appreciate you being here. We appreciate your business. For those of you that have bought from us in the past, thank you very much. And for those of us that are building new relationships with Newark and Fluke, we welcome you, and we hope that we can get a chance of winning your business. Enjoy today, and if we can answer any questions, please feel free to contact any of us throughout the day. Thank you. Thanks.